Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have for you is a chicken curry recipe using the Radhuni Masala chicken mix. This pre-packaged seasoning is an easy way to create a very delicious stew. Let's get started. We have 4.5 pounds of chicken followed by the Radhuni mix, ginger paste, garlic paste, sliced onions, fried onions, plain yogurt, salt to taste, and oil. Mix thoroughly and let it marinate for about 1 to 2 hours. I can just smell the Bangladeshi authenticity. Once done marinating, cover with lid on medium-high heat and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Gravy is a crucial part to chicken curry, otherwise it would be dry. As you can see, the moisture that came out of the chicken is more than enough. You can add additional water if needed. After you're done mixing, cover with lid for an additional 45 minutes on medium-low heat. Begin to add in your roasted cumin powder, garam masala, and mix thoroughly. Let it sit on low heat for another 10 minutes. This Radhuni mix is perfect for individuals who are busy and don't have much time. You can serve this dish with pulao. I will link it below. Thanks for tuning in today. New videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays.